Good morning everyone. My name is Smith Kumar Mahendra Kumar Patel and I am doing a Master of Civil Engineering at CQ University, Melbourne. Today I'll presenting my internship experience and I did my internship with the iBuild Building Solutions and which I did finish under the unit name is internship experience and my unit coordinator is Sarkar Nure Khuda. So I'll start my presentation with the introduction part. So host organization name was iBuild Building Solution and which is located at 5A Harnett Close, Mulgrave, Victoria. Also my supervisor name was Jaden Savannah and he was working at iBuild at a business development manager and while he's working last 4 years and my duration of internship was 17 March 2020 to the 4 June 2020 and I'll do internship as a civil engineering internship and I play a role as a cost estimator, draft person and project manager during my internship period. So this is the overview of my host organization iBuild Building Solutions. So iBuild Building Solution was a premier prefabricated building supplier with outstanding design. Also iBuild Building Solution was a 2017 Telstra Business Award finalist as well as the winner of 2016 Monash Business Award in Innovation. Also the iBuild Building Solution provides various type of designs like the modular buildings, kit homes, granny flat steel structures as well as the containers. Also, the iBuild Building Solution was the approved tender supplier of prefabricated buildings to the United Nations as well as the Victorian government. Also, the iBuild Building Solutions products are super fast in assembly. Also, they are providing the worldwide delivery. So these are the roles and responsibility which I did in my during internship period. So during my internship period, I find the overall cost and analyzing the cost into various phases of house construction like the lockup kit, lining kit, floor kit. Also, I use a project management software like the Workbench and I put the invoices and data to store on a long time. Also, I analyzes the mail survey reports, aerial photography, drawings and other geologic and the topographical data to design projects. Also interpreting the plans, drawing and specification and preparing the design sketches, charts and designs for designing work like I did the make a 3D design modeling like the rendering image and the walkthrough video in a Lumion and Revit as well. Also I investigated the overall cost for the government tender. Due to the confidential, I did not mention so much about this government tender. And also I designing and analyzing the house construction projects throughout my internship. So this is the my organization structure. So the iBuild Building Solution is worked under the director section in. So this organization structure is mainly divided in six parts: design and estimation, sales and marketing, financial and admin, production and fabrication, affiliated builders and project manager. I did work under the business development manager Jaden Shavana. So I'll work at the civil engineering intern with my colleagues. Also there is also furthermore intern are still there, that the marketing intern, IT intern and accounting intern as well. So this is the engineering design principle of iBuild Building Solution. iBuild Building Solutions have a four main pillars like they are providing the stronger, smarter, faster and more affordable buildings to the customer. Also they are providing the fast assembly and worldwide delivery to the any customer. So during the internship period I learned the understand the importance of design principle for any engineering firm, or also if you want to establish any engineering firm in Australia, so why the engineering design principle is important to establish any business. So this is the engineering tools. So as you can see on the screen, so as there is the engineering tools like the project management software Workbench. So in Workbench, I work with the in a whole during my internship period. So in Workbench software, I analyze the overall cost of project. Also, I investigate the profit and loss margin from the past project. So why is the Workbench is important? The Workbench chapter is important to investigate the profit loss margin. Also, it stores the past project data. So during my internship period, I enhanced my knowledge into cost estimation. Also, as you can see on the second figure, there is a burning straight invoices there. So how we can put and analyzing the data into put the workbench software. So I enhanced my mathematical skill as well. So this is the second engineering tool which I used during my internship. This is the 3D design software, Revit software. So during my internship period, I created a floor plan and elevation, as well as I draft 3D design image. Also, I formulate the 3D walkthrough video. During my internship period, I worked a lot of time with the Revit software, so I broadened my design skill. Also, I enhanced my detailing skills through the detailings value which I gained from the floor plan, and I also input that data into Revit. So this is the another engineering tool which I used during my internship. So this is the 3D high resolution design software, as you can see on the first image. So this is the Lumia software picture. So during internship I acquire high quality of rendering image from Lumia software. Also, as well, I achieved the real life walkthrough video from the Lumia software, and during this period I also solved the resolution issued through the Lumion software, because in Revit, as you can see on the second picture, the resolution is not too much good. But when I search for Lumion software, and then I solve the resolution issue through the Lumion software as well. So this is the engagement with my host organization. During my internship period, I familiar with the team communication software like Basecamp. Basecamp is a good software to report everyday progress. So during my internship period, I use the Basecamp software to the communicate with the team members, as well as with the colleagues, and as well as the IBIL staff. So in the Basecamp is very good for to report everyday progress. Also during the internship period, there is a one Excel for the work planner for overall work progress. So what progress every colleagues did, so we can see from the work planner. Also during internship period, I learned the importance of communication and time. So we need to attend the daily online meeting, and we need to show our communication skills, so that the people and the colleagues are understand what we are now doing and what we'll be doing today. So this is the health, environmental safety and other contextual risks. So during my internship period, I familiar with the various workplace health and safety policy. So as you can see on the screen, this is the one type of health and safety policy. During my internship, I understood the importance of this policy at workplace. Also, I investigate the potential hazards while working at workplace. Also, I found the appropriate measures to solve that issues. So this is the legislative and statutory requirements of IBIL building solution. During my internship, I was familiar with the IBIL's legislative and statutory requirements like the company WHSC management system manual, as well as the employee and industrial relations management plan. So during my internship period, I understood how manual is essential to resolve or achieve a better success in its business, and why are important while working with the colleagues. So finally, this is the learning outcomes which I gained from the during my internship program. So I gained the valuable real life experience with an IBIL building solution. Also, I learned the use of designing software like Revit and Lumion. Also, I understood the importance of communication skill. Also, I will be aware with the importance of professionalism in workplace. Moreover, I learned the use of cost estimation software like Workbench. Furthermore, I learned the professional engineering knowledge and skill from the iBuild team. Also, from with the internship with the iBuild building solution, I understood the importance of kit home and modular home in house industry of Australia. Also, I got the experience in government tendering process, as well as I familiar with the layer engineering problem and understood the complexity of the problem and how we can solve that problem. Also, I recognized my presentation skills and designing skills through my internship program, and I also got an opportunity to utilize my skills and knowledge with the engaged with the host organization company into important tasks. So after finishing internship with iBuild Building Solution, I learned a lot of skills and knowledge into my real life engineering firm. So I am special thanks to the some persons and the organization which they supported me. So first one, the Jaren Savana, iBuild Building Solution Business Development Manager, and also the iBuild Building Solutions teams for special thanks for giving me an opportunity to work with them and show my skills to in the real life project. Also, I'll special thanks to Denisha Telitra and also her Radicas team for providing this opportunity. Also, I'll special thanks to the doctors Sarkar Nure Khuda and the CQ team. They are because of providing me the opportunity to get a real life experience in engineering firms. Thank you so much. And is there any question?